Good morning, bachcho. Today I will give you a trick to find the magnetic behavior of a given molecule or ion if we know the total number of electrons. वैसे तो हम जो molecular orbital theory से उसका detailed electronic configuration लिखें और we find the number of unpaired electrons. Okay, if the number of unpaired electrons is 0, then we say it is diamagnetic. Okay, and when number of unpaired electrons is non-zero, then we say it is paramagnetic. लेकिन अभी हम एक ट्रिक बताएंगे आपको how to find the magnetic behavior without writing the detailed electronic configuration. Okay, so the trick is if the total number of electrons in the given species is an odd number, okay, then it is paramagnetic. Okay, so whenever the total number of electrons in the given species is an odd number, then it is paramagnetic, and when the total number of electrons is an even number, okay, then it is diamagnetic, with one exception, then it is diamagnetic except for 16 electrons and 10 electrons. So when the electrons are either 16 or 10, then it is not diamagnetic, then it is paramagnetic. Okay, for these 16 and 10 electrons it is paramagnetic, and all other even number of electrons it is diamagnetic. Okay, so we will solve this question which was asked in the JEE exam. We have to determine the magnetic behavior of these species. So हम total number of electrons देखेंगे. C2 2 minus में कितने हैं? C, that is 6 plus 2, that is 14, and 2 minus में this is 7 plus 7 plus 2, that is 16. O2 2 minus में this is 8 plus 2, that is 18, and O2 में this is 8 plus 8 equal to 16. So with this trick, this 14 electrons is an even number, so this is diamagnetic. Okay, then N2 2 minus, this is 16 electrons, 16 is the exception, so this is paramagnetic. Then 18 electrons, this is an even number, so it is diamagnetic. Then O2 16 electrons, so this is an exception, so this is paramagnetic. Okay, so this is the trick to find the magnetic behavior of a given molecule or ion by finding the total number of electrons. If it is an odd number, then this is paramagnetic. If it is an even number, then it is diamagnetic except for 16 electrons and 10 electrons. Okay, with this I wind up this session and wish you all the best. Thank you.